So if you gotta like stop and rest, you can. Right? So we're just gonna go have lunch at the restaurant, and then we're gonna head back, right?
Yes. Yeah. That's what you want.
Well, I didn't know it was this steep, but it's good for our legs, babes. Then if you get tired, you can just go ahead and grab the rail and push up, right? Or I can push you up.
Push up. So nice. Yan si Thomas. Ang taas, guys. Grabe. Pero ang kaganda ng mga pine tree. Mga pine tree. Ayan. Maraming nag-walk.
¿Quieres bajar hasta el fondo?
Sí.
What trail is this?
This is the San Jacinto Mountain
Trail.
Apparently there's all over the mountains.
Taas. Yan hanggang doon. Oh, kita ko yung tao doon. Grabe hanggang doon. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Yun yung aerial tramway station. Grabe. Look at this. Ang laki ng na siya. Natumba na. Yan, di na sila makakyat. Ayan. Ang lalaki ng mga pine tree. Ang lalaki ng mga rocks. Ayan. Grabe. Ayan si Thomas. Oh. Buti na sa'yo.
Want to rest?
No, I'm good.
Alright.
Buti nga sa'yo. Ayan guys, ang taas-taas lang. Bundok.
Ja bym pojechał do Colorado na ulicę.
Yan, malapit na. Grabe. Ayan, okay. Ganda-ganda ng view. Ayan, ito yung pangalan. Mount San Jacinto State Park.
Can I sit?
Ayan, di ba ang ganda?